All right, I found this. I believe I got this on Amazon the other day. It's a Formula E Gen 3. So this is an electric Formula One car. I heard about that. I've never seen them run or seen any races for electric Formula One cars, but it's pretty cool. I saw that on Amazon, and I thought I'd like to have that in my Hot Wheel collection. Maybe now I have to search on YouTube to see if I can find some racing of Formula E cars. All right, 1 second. All right, I unboxed it or unpackaged it or whatever you want to say. Just trying to get a better look at it. Yeah, looks just like a Formula One car, except it's electric. Pretty cool. So this is like I have a couple Teslas in my collection, and now I have a electric Formula One car. Pretty cool.